very simple. It was basically there was a link from Washington Embassy that came out, and we had to just apply and wait for the embassy to kind of give us a call and see if the embassy can prepare the logistics for us to come and fly from the EWR airport. And luckily, I did get the chance to fly from this airport, and it couldn't have been a better Mother's Day gift as such, because even like my exams finished yesterday, so my visa kind of is getting expired. But it's a nice Mother's Day gift to go back home to the motherland and to my mother back home. So it's a very nice experience.
And the way COVID-19 has created a very special situation and circumstances for everyone, how do you see the role of Government of India in working with those who are away from India like you were, and how was the experience of being here during this lockdown period?
I think the government of India took very bold and very interesting steps in the starting around 21st March. That is when they started the lockdown, and unluckily I was here when the lockdown started and I wasn't able to come back to India during the lockdown. But it was very bold and very strong of in the Indian government to take that step, because it definitely affected the economy. It affected a lot of things, but the fact that the government was bold enough to take that stance so that the public would not be affected with the virus, and there would be lot less deaths and lot more control for the disease. I think the government took the right steps.
जाने का कि यहाँ स्टे करने का जाने का इट्स अ गुड अरेंजमेंट और वी वर एक्सपेक्टिंग कि ऐसा कुछ हो जाएगा. तो जो इंडियन गवर्नमेंट है उन्होंने ऐसा ही मैनेज किया जो यहाँ पर हम जैसे रह गए उन लोगों के लिए. We are thankful to Indian government.
So Aditya, we just talked to you. You were in the process of going to. Now I see the ticket in your hand. Talk to me. How was it? Like there were some medical tests for you also here.
So definitely there was like a small screening test that happened in which the temperatures were taken. We had to submit forms regarding the undertaking. So it was a really nice experience, and I really want to take this time out to thank the Indian consulate and the New York consulate and all the embassies of the Indian embassies, because I understand this is a huge operation with all the flights and 3,000 people constantly calling for like a ticket in the flight. It's a huge effort that the consulate has taken, and thanks a lot for helping us out, the stranded Indians, for helping us go back. Just thank you so much. It feels, with this ticket in my hand, I feel so much. The comfort that I have in my heart right now is just over the bounds. Thank you so much.